Hello, Year 2. It's time for our final lesson this half term on block coding. Hopefully you've remembered how to navigate your way to this particular page, but remember my videos are on YouTube if you can't remember. And we have completed refresh level and different sorts of input. So we're continuing our work on buttons and instructions today. And we're going to lesson 2, Slug Hunt. It's an interesting title, isn't it, children? Let's see what we're going to do today. In this lesson, the blue bird is on the hunt. Using buttons again, we'll send the bird off to chase down a slug breakfast. The bluebird must follow the trail to capture the slug. Let's go. As always, watch the video and you can play this back to yourself anytime if you want to remember what it is that you are going to be doing today.
In this lesson, we're going to help a bird find a tasty snail. We will move the bird using click events and buttons. Right, left, up, and down. We use a click event for each button. Then we're going to add a stop button so that the bird can stop when it finds the snail. We'll finish with a challenge. Can you make the bird follow the path to the snail?
I think you're going to love this lesson, children, because I know that you all love a challenge. So you'll enjoy that challenge at the end. Okay, remember, if we view all, we can see our instructions, our code, and our design all at once. And if we can't read the instruction, then we can click here and it will be read for us. I'll read it for you now. Move the bluebird right when the right button is clicked. So I'm moving the bluebird right when the right button is clicked. Let's see. Well done. Stop and step 2. I'm sure you'll whiz through now, children, because you're so good at computer coding. Step 2, move the bird left and right when the left and right buttons are clicked. Okay, so the left one's already there for us, so I need the move to the left. Of course, I need to make sure the bluebird moves to the left and move to the right when we click on the right button. Okay, does that look okay? Move to the left, to the right, run. Okay, so I'm going to go left towards, there we go. Oh, and back right. Oh, yes. Okay, stop. And we can move on to step 3. What do we have to do in step 3? We have to move the bird in all directions by including code for up and down buttons. So we've got our left and our right already here. We've now got 2 more buttons. So let's have an up. And the bird needs to go move up. Or bluebird. Well, let's have a down click event. And our bluebird needs to move down. Left and right, up and down. So let's run and see. So left, up, oh, down, up, down, right, left, and up, and down, and right, and left, all working. Good. So step 3 complete. We can move on to step 4. Yes, please. Add a stop button so the bird can land when it spotted the slug. Okay, so let's move our event. There we go. Instruction is to stop when I press the stop button. Ooh, step 4. Let's have a little look, shall we? So this time I can go up, down, left, down, right, and I can stop the bluebird. Hopefully near the slug. Okay, so I'm going to go up and stop, right and stop, down and oh, stop. We go up and stop, right and stop, down and stop, right and stop. Okay, I think that is step 4 complete. So let's move to step 5. Build the button code again. Okay, so we've got to remember all of the steps, children. Practice moving the bird along a specific path to its breakfast, stopping it when it reaches the slug. So I've got to navigate the bluebird around, okay, along that yellow line as best I can. But first of all, I've got to remember all the code. I think I'm going to need a little bit more space. So I know there were 5 events. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and I needed a left, an up, a right. Oh. Seems to have frozen on the screen. Let's try that. Yes, a down. Oh, my up's a little bit wobbly too, isn't it? There we go. And a stop. Okay, so the bluebird needs to be able to move left and up and right and down and to be able to stop. And here we go. So left, move left. Remember, we need to remember our left from our right. Move right. Move up. Move down and stop. Does that look correct, children? I'm just going to check before I run it. Don't want to make any errors if I can help it, do I? Left, up, right, down and stop. Okay. Oh, wish me luck. I've got to try now and get the bluebird to the slug. So I'm going to run program. I need to go up and stop. Ooh, a little bit further and stop. Right and stop. Up and stop. Left and oh, a little bit further and stop. Oh, I've gone up. Sorry. Shall I start that again? Right. Let's go down to the start. Stop. Okay. Concentrate. This is it. Up you go and stop and right and stop and up and stop. Oh, down a little bit and stop and left and stop. I'm sure, children, that you will be able to navigate your way around the game really successfully today, way more successfully than me. Okay, but don't forget, when you go, after you've practiced, okay, you get to design your own background. Okay, you get to design your own background, any colours you want to use, and you can remember to add different images. So you don't just have to have the bluebird and the slug. Oh, we've got some interesting characters today, don't we, children? Yes, we do. So you can choose some different objects if you wish to do so. I'm sure you'll have fun with your design. And I know that you've enjoyed this particular computing unit. So congratulations on being really great computer coders. Enjoy this final session with your slug hunt.